In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. Maybe you're feeling the weight of social media fatigue, or perhaps you're just looking for a short break from your online presence. Whatever your reason, I'll guide you step by step through the process of pausing your account without permanently deleting it, ensuring your content is safe for when you're ready to return. To get started, first open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, or Edge. Then, head over to Instagram.com and log in with your usual username and password. Remember, this process must be done on a browser. It can't be carried out directly through the Instagram mobile app. Once you're logged in, direct yourself to your profile by clicking the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This icon serves as the gateway to managing your Instagram account settings. With that done, proceed to click on Edit Profile. This button is neatly situated on your profile page and allows access to all personal settings and preferences. Scrolling down to the bottom of the Edit Profile page, you'll find an option that says Temporarily Deactivate My Account. On mobile devices, you can spot this under your Bio section. If you're on a desktop, look towards the bottom right portion of the screen. This option is key to beginning the process of deactivation. Before deactivating, Instagram will ask you to provide a reason for your temporary departure. A drop-down list offers several possible answers, like need a break or privacy concerns. Go ahead and select the response that feels most applicable to your situation. Once you've made your selection, you'll need to enter your password again to confirm it's really you making this change. Finally, the last step is clicking or tapping on Temporarily Deactivate Account. You'll see this option appear after confirming your reason and entering your password. Make sure to confirm once more if prompted. Rest assured, by completing this action, your account will be hidden temporarily. No one will be able to see your profile, photos, or any of your activities until you decide to log back in. That's it! Your Instagram account is safely tucked away, ready for when you're refreshed and eager to dive back into the digital world. Remember, this is only a temporary solution, and whenever you're ready, you can simply log in to reactivate